Good evening, class 6. Let's continue with the worksheet. So, sum number 6. It's given if A is to B equals to 3 is to 4, B is to C equals to 8 is to 9. Find A is to C. Okay. So, A by C equals to how much? A by B into B by C. A by B is what? 3 by 4 and B by C is 8 by 9. So 3 3s are 4 2s are. So A by C equals to 2 is to 3 or A is to C. A by C equals to 2 by 3 and A is to C equals to 2 is to 3. Okay. Next is sum number 7. The question is, if 15 books cost rupees 70, how much will 12 books cost? It is by unitary method. 15 books cost 70 rupees. So one book cost how much? 70 by 15. Right? Then 12 books will cost how much? 12 book cost how much? 70 by 15 into 12. Okay. If we simplify, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 5 1s are 5, 6 and 5 4s are. So 56 is the price of 12 books. Okay. Next we move to sum number 8. The question is given, out of 135 students of a school, the ratio of the number of boys to that of the girl is 5 is to 4. If 5 more boys get admitted, what will be the new ratio? So let's do this. Here we have to take common unit as x. Sum number 8. Let the common unit be x. So boy equals to how much? 5x. Girl 4x. Total we have 135. So 5x plus 4x equals to 135. 9x equals to 135. Or x equals to 135 by 9, that is 15. Therefore, number of boys how much? 5 into 15, that is 75. And girl is 4x, that is 4 into 15. So 4 into 15 is 60. Right? And as per the question, 5 more boys get admitted. So 75 plus 5, that makes 80. Now the new ratio of boy is to girl. That's how much? That's 80 is to 60 or 80 by 60. The ratio is 4 is to 3. This is the new ratio of the boy and girl. Next, sum number 9. The question is, sum of the present ages of 3 men is 108 years. 3 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 10 is to 11 is to 12. Find the present age of each of them. Here also we have to take the common unit as x. Sum number 9. So 3 years ago, their ages were how much? Ages were 10x, 11x, 12x. After 3 years, we have to add 3. So 10x plus 3, 11x plus 3, 12x plus 3. Now in the question it is given sum of their present age means this one. Sum of their present ages is equals to 108 years. So 10x plus 3 plus 11x plus 3 plus 12x plus 3 equals to 108. So here we have 33x equals to, here 3, 3, 6, 9. So 108 minus 9, or 33x equals to 99, x equals to 3. Okay. Now we have to calculate their present ages. Present ages. So one of the age is 10x plus 3. So we have to put the value of x. So 10 into 3, 30 plus 3, so 33 years. This is the age of first man. Next is 11x plus 3. That is 11 into 3, that is 33 plus 3, 36 years. Age of the second man. Last one, 12x plus 3. So 12 into 3, that is 36 plus 3, 39 years. So these are the ages of the first, second and third men respectively. All in years. Next, sum number 10. So the question is rupees 900 was distributed among A, B and C in such a way that half of A's money is equals to 1 by 3 of B's money equals to 1 by 4 of C's money. Find the money received by A, B and C separately. Okay. Here also we have to take the common term as x. So we can write like this. Half A's money equals to 1 by 3 B's money equals to 1 by 4 of C's money equals to x. Right. So A's money how much? A's money 2x. B's money is your 3x. And C's money is 4x. Now we are going to sum up. 2x plus 3x plus 4x. The total amount is 900. Right? So here 9x. So x equals to how much? X equals to 100. 900 by 9 gives 900. Now we have to find the individual money received by A, B and C. So A, we have 2x. So 2 into 100, that's 200. B is your 3x. So 3 into 100, 300. C is your 4x. That's 4 into 100, 400. So these are the individual amount received by A, B and C respectively. So that's it, class 6. Thank you.